Hey everybody, hey, it's Lee Galbo with Junk Removal Authority. I want to kind of show you guys something. These are all of our trucks. We were just doing a photo shoot. These are about half of our trucks, not quite half. This is our Raleigh location. We have a couple more trucks that are actually out on job sites, plus Charlotte and Greensboro has a few more. All told, it's a $3 million a year business and has 18 trucks now in operation. We just took delivery of a couple more. So walk with me real quick and let's talk about something. All of this stuff started with myself and Christian Fowler, my business partner. We started this in 2012. And we started literally with a pickup truck and trailer. The very first time I did any haul, it was an old pickup truck that I used to use when I raced. It was a single cab, gasoline Chevrolet 2500. And the trailer was a trailer like out of the 1960s that my grandfather had. It was probably 10 foot long at most, maybe even 8 foot long, probably 6 wide, and had maybe less, maybe a foot to 2 foot side, but not even 2 foot, probably a foot sides on it. So literally, like, it was like a $3,000 pickup truck and a trailer that my grandfather had used that was like out back. He hadn't used it in years, and that's what we got going with. And shortly thereafter, we got another trailer that was a little longer. And then eventually we took a long time, about a year into business. Well, not quite a year, probably 6 months into business. We took a really long time, about a month, to sit there and determine, do we want to spend $1,500 on a trailer that had 3 foot sides on it? So that's how we got going. We put ads out on Craigslist back then. We put flyers out, and we just told people about our business, and this little business started growing. Before we knew it, a little over a year had passed. We got our very first dump truck that'll actually hopefully be pulling up here in a minute. We don't really use that one much anymore, but we got our very first dump truck. I'm going to show you that in a second. And then now it's ballooned to an 18 truck operation, $3 million a year. In addition, we've added on a business that actually builds these trucks. And then of course we've got JRA, where we do digital marketing services for junk removal businesses. The reason I talk about all of this is I want you to understand, no matter what position you're in, because back then, I had like a few $1,000s in my bank account. I had just quit racing, where I'd spent all my money. I had a truck and a dream, and I just got out there and got to work. So if you guys are in a position where you've got some money and you can get started big and get started with a couple of these nice trucks and all like that, hey, you got a little bit of a head start. But if you're not, you just got to roll your sleeves up and get to it, because we've built a great business, a business worth millions, that makes millions every single year from hard work and determination and a dream. If you have those three things right there, hard work, determination, and a dream, and when obstacles are thrown at your way and a truck breaks down, or you damage a person's property, or somebody no-shows you, or whatever, if you just still find a way to get it done, you still find a way to stay positive even when things are negative, over time, you'll push through and you'll make something a success. If advertising too expensive, if you're spending a lot of money on Google Ads, if you're doing advertising, it's not necessarily working, if things just seem like they're fighting you, you got a dream and you're just not quite getting it done, just stick with it. Between time and determination and a dream, you'll make something happen.